So once you open up an image in Adobe Photoshop Express, then you can see the interface of Adobe Photoshop Express right here, just like this. And you can see that the interface is quite simple. Over here on the left hand side, you can see that there are 5 sections right here. The first one is looks, which allows you to apply various looks to the picture. Then you got the cropping tool right here, which allows you to crop out your picture into different sizes as you want. Then you got the corrections section right here, which allows you to do color corrections as you like. Then you have the spot heal tool, which allows you to heal out images. Then you got the fix red eye option right here to fix people's red eye or pets red eye right here. Then you got the border section, which allows you to add in different borders, edges and frames on the picture. Over here on the bottom, you got the preferences, as you can see, for the particular application right here. And then on the top you got the undo and redo button, and then you got the auto enhance button right here, and then the zoom option right here, as you can see, which allows you to zoom in and zoom out right here. Then you got the shape and share option over here on the top right hand side, and then you got all of the options, the account options and menu right here, and sign out options right here over here on the top right hand side right here. So that is the interface, and throughout this particular tutorial series, we're going to see what each and every tool can be used for to correct out your images in Adobe Photoshop Express. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.